Hello, welcome to John's Jeep Garage. Hope this video helps. Thank you. Okay, so you open up your hood, you want to work on the Jeep, and you look and you see this engine cover. And you're asking yourself, how do I remove it? I don't want to break it. And once I remove it, how do I put it back on? This will be a very quick video, and it's just about removing and reinstalling the engine cover. Okay, so engine cover. Put your hand on the sides like this. Make sure the engine's not too hot when you're doing this. Lift up and then pull out. Ready? Up, out. That's how you remove it. Basically, you have this pin and this retaining pin here. Two hinges. The pins fit in these little sections. To get it lined up, I take this part, I line it back up into the hinges. So I don't know if you can see, but I just take it like this, like in a vertical position, and I line up those two notches, hinges. I let it swing down, and I press it in. It's as simple as that.